Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trade with Poketwo. To begin a trade, both trainers must be in the same Discord server and online. One trainer initiates the trade using the P trade command followed by the other trainer's Discord tag. This opens a private trade window where you can offer your Pokemon and items. Always double-check all details before confirming the exchange to ensure a smooth transaction. Once the trade window is open, you can start adding your offers. To offer a Pokemon, type P, add followed by its number from your inventory. If you want to include items, use P, add then the item's name and the quantity. For example, P, add rare candy 1. Both trainers can adjust their offers until they are satisfied. Take your time to review everything carefully. After both trainers have added their desired Pokemon and items, it's time to confirm. Each participant must type P, confirm in the trade channel. A short countdown, usually 10 seconds, will begin. During this period, either trainer can still type P, cancel to stop the trade. Once the countdown finishes and both have confirmed, the exchange is complete and your new Pokemon or items will appear in your inventory. To ensure safe and fair trades, always verify the Pokemon's individual values or Roman 4 and its level. Use commands like P, info to check these details. Be cautious of offers that seem too good to be true, as they often are. Trading with trusted friends or within reputable communities can help prevent scams. Remember, once a trade is confirmed, it cannot be reversed, so trade wisely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.